This is a 2023 Volkswagen Atlas. We're going to change out the speakers. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove this clip below the handle. Then simply pry that off. There is a little notch which you're going to pop it out with one of these flat screwdriver, and you just pull it. That comes out. There is a torx number screw 30 right at my fingertip. So once you have that out, straight down all the way in the bottom, there is another plastic. It's not a screw, but you're gonna need a torque screw to turn it 90-degree angle. So otherwise, there is a locking. You're gonna have to turn this 90-degree out. That release that little pin right here. And once you have that turned 90 degrees, you start it from the bottom right corner. Put the panel popper on it, and you just simply pry the entire door panel out. It's very tight, so it sounds like it's breaking, but it's not breaking. So you're just going to simply pry the entire door panel out. It's real tight plastic clips. So you can see they are tight. So once you have it out, you simply lift this side upward and slide out. Now there is a little trick. Let me go on the back side of it. This release cable, there is a tiny locking tab here. So you're gonna pull this out away like this, lift up like this. That releases this entire lever. Again, this little lever here, you pull away from it, out, and slide in this way, and this tweeter comes off. The other one, there's a module here. You're gonna push this little blue pin right here and pull this purple locking upward like this. That releases this pin here. Now you can remove the entire door panel. As you can see, this one is about 1.5 inch spacer. So what we do is, since this speaker is not being used, customer says it's okay to cut this off, and we're gonna put new speaker with spacer on it, so you don't have to worry about anything hitting that glass coming down this way. So you're gonna cut this off, then you're gonna use this factory basket as a spacer so you don't hit any mechanical part or glass behind it. We are using razor blade to cut off that cone. You go straight all the way across and simply pull out. Once you've done that, there is a plastic basket right here. We're just going to cut that off. I'm not going to show you the whole thing. Basically, you are cutting that off. So we got this basket out, the magnet. On the new speaker with plastic ring. We're going to put the crossover there. And tweeter goes on the back of the door panel. So this is where the tweeter goes on. Okay, put the tweeter there.